Miele steam ovens with innovative dual steam technology. Taking gentle and even cooking to a new dimension. Simply fill the water container and slide it in. This action tilts the suction tube down into the water. The appliance is now ready for operation. Water is gradually pumped into the powerful steam generator. This reduces heating up times because small amounts of water evaporate more quickly. Thanks to the combination of the very powerful steam generator and the two dual steam nozzles, the steam flows straight into the oven compartment at high speed. The special shape and positioning of the nozzles ensure that the steam spreads rapidly and evenly. The steam displaces oxygen and thus helps to retain the vitamin content, flavour and colour of food. To maintain a specific temperature at all times, the steam is swirled around vigorously inside the oven compartment. This is particularly important when cooking at lower temperatures, such as sous vide cooking. Dual steam is ideal even when cooking on several levels at the same time. The steam spreads very rapidly and evenly across all levels. Once the oven compartment has been filled with steam and the selected temperature has been reached, the cooking time begins. Hot steam envelops the food from all sides, thereby transferring heat to it. Drops of liquid collect in the drip tray. The liquid running down the interior walls collects on the floor of the oven compartment and is then evaporated by the floor heater element, leaving hardly anything to wipe away after cooking. The floor heater element only switches on when it's covered with water. The pure steam atmosphere inside the oven compartment is thus maintained at all times, creating dishes that taste truly exceptional. A temperature sensor monitors the exact cooking temperature in the immediate vicinity of the food. Steam is generated on demand for the rest of the cooking time. Excess steam is mixed with cold room air and blown out of the front of the oven. At the end of the cooking time, the steam is vented away automatically. The cooked dishes can easily be removed from the oven without a large amount of steam escaping when the oven door is opened. At the end of the cooking time, the water left in the steam generator flows back into the water container. This ensures that all programs use fresh water. Miele steam ovens with innovative dual steam technology, taking gentle and even cooking to a new dimension.